Local news for Thursday the 21st of June. The Heart of Carterton Winter Festival has thus far proved more popular than organisers could have hoped for. Last weekend, the skating rink and snow dome, a first of its kind for Wairarapa, attracted a lot of attention and quickly sold out its first 2 days. Administrator of the Go Carterton Business Group, Tony Bingley, says, "I've heard nothing but positive feedback from our local businesses, cafes and restaurants who were bursting at the seams for most of the weekend." News Hub revealed yesterday more people across the country could soon be paying regional fuel tax, not just Aucklanders. The Greater Wellington Regional Council was named as a council looking at it. However, it has only been in very informal discussions. All councils other than Auckland will have to wait until after 2021 to even pitch for a regional fuel tax. And the Wairarapa Times 8 Sports Awards were held last night with the Supreme Award won by cricketer Seth Rance, the People's Choice by hockey rep Dane Lett, and Lifetime Achievement Award by boxing legend Neil Cadwallader. And also with sport and Premier Netball tomorrow night, St Matthews play Carterton Red at Chanel College, and straight after Waikol play Celtic, with Saturday's match in the Premier grade set to be Harcourts taking on Gladstone.